Dear friends, today's topic is how to zoom in and zoom out the computer screen. Let us see the technique. Now let me go to a site, Google News website. Let me click some other 1 minute. Okay, let me go to a web page. Right. Okay. And for those who feel the size of the words are very small, you can increase the size by pressing Control plus. So 110% it has increased. You could see at the top right side the percentage going on increasing. Again, if I press Control plus, 125, again 175, 200, 250, 300, 400, 500%. Right. So when you press again, it will not go. So this is the maximum percentage that you can zoom. Okay. So here, so it becomes very big. The font size become very big in the computer screen. This is the zooming out. Okay. Then let us see how to zoom in. If you press Control minus, it goes on reducing. From maximum size is 500%. Right. Then this is here the right top corner 400%. You can go on reducing it. You can click this also. 250, 200. 175, 150, 125, 110. Right? Either you can press this button minus or plus. Plus means it will go on increasing the size. Or you can, instead of doing this, you can press Control minus. 90, 80, 75, 67, 50, 33, 25. So that is the minimum zoom in that you can make. Right? So 25 is the minimum zoom in you can make in a computer screen, right? And that to Windows. And if you find Control plus, I am pressing Control plus again and again. 125, 150, 175, 200, 250, 300, 400, 500. Okay, so that is the maximum size you can. And when you increase the font size, even these fonts become readable, right? Here 5 Javan skill, 12 wounded in my ambush in Chhattisgarh. Similarly, the other. Okay. And if you find the image is not to the screen, then you can reduce the screen size. Okay. So now the percentage is 150. Again, we have come back to the default position, 100%. Right. So in order to zoom in and zoom out, zoom in Control minus. Okay. Zoom out, bigger size. Want to make bigger size? It is Control plus. Okay. So that is the technique behind zooming in and zooming out the computer screen. Okay. Hope you understood. Right. And the purpose of this zooming is that you give less strain to your eyes so that it is much more readable. So that is the main purpose of zooming in and zooming out. Okay. And sometimes zooming in is good because you could be able to see the sides properly. Right. Right. This see here. Now you could find this one column, then this column like spotlight and other things. If we zoom out, it will go down, right? It will go down that screen, right? Okay. So that you have a clear picture of, without distraction, you can able to read, right? So advertisement gets vanished. Okay. That is so. In short, Zooming in means control minus. Press the control button and minus button. Zooming out means control plus button. Control and plus button. Okay. So hope you understood. Try. Thank you, friends.